What's the other the questions that come to mind when we're talking about evolution is there's some things that I'm just curious about why we developed them. So like the funny one was chins. We're the only animal with chins, but
Never thought about that.
there's no use for a chin. What's the point of a chin? And the appendix is the other one. What was the point of the appendix? We've lost use for that. What did it must have done something.
Yeah,
Like chins must have done something. Like every you can point to a lot of things in your body, you know exactly what their function was. They're the two I can't figure
well,
out.
do like apes not have chins though?
So that was my first thought. Like I can't remember where I saw this. It was some scientist that said it, and my first thought was sure, like chins. Dogs have chins, apes have chins, but I don't think they actually have like a protruding thing there that comes
Okay,
out or goes down. So it doesn't
yeah,
class it as a chin.
because I thought it would be like an extension of the jaw,
Mhm.
and
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, the facial development and stuff. We did some of that, but it's very long ago, and I could not tell you a single thing about it. But yeah, it'd be interesting to look at the evolutionary point of view for that.
Well, the other thing I wonder is what the future of evolution is going to be now that we're on phones. There's always like Gavin Oates. I had him on maybe I think it was maybe 4 episodes ago, and his question was, "What's going to happen to our thumbs because we're scrolling so much?" Like they're finding like babies. What was it they were doing? They were doing something with their hands because they developed something with iPads. So they already knew how to do that before they could speak or something like that. So
Okay.
already like babies are adapting to screens. So what's going to happen in like 100, 200, thousands of years when we're all going to be like hunched back over, our thumbs are going to be huge or something like that.
Yeah,
It's a scary thought.
I think it'll be more so like in terms of that, all the evolution that we'll do from now on will be more behavioral. So like with babies that are learning to scroll before talking, that will be because their parents they see their parents do that more, sort of thing. But in terms of because natural selection, like how it's worked in the past, if you say, for example, say if you had small thumbs, if you had small thumbs, you would die off and you wouldn't pass on the genes with small thumbs. But now we're not in a society or a world that you would die off for those reasons. So it's like there's not the evolutionary selection to sort of kill those genes off and pass the other ones on. That's yeah.